Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2017 67 Reg 320DM Sport Saloon. It's presented in Astral Blue, features a YS body enhancement kit alongside some nice features and options. We've just added the brand new 20-inch alloys, splitter, grills, side vinyls, YS and performance decals, as well as the side sill extensions, rear spoiler and diffuser. It benefits from the rear privacy glass. Round at the back, it's got parking sensors, nice big boot size. This one does also benefit from the folding rear seat option. If we go around toward the passenger side, where again, everything is in nice and neat, tidy condition. Great looking car in a great colourway. Inside, it's got the M Highlight leather, full 3-seat Isofix rear bench, heated front seats. This one is a 6-speed manual. We're going to go on around towards the driver's side, take a seat inside and just spend 1 or 2 moments highlighting a few of the interior features. So it's got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. It's covered just over 66,000 miles. Benefits from business nav and media, telephone and audio, DAB, USB line-in. Check out the service status. Your service for 15,000. Good service history, as you can see there. Dual auto climate system and those heated front seats. Don't forget, if you want to know a little bit more, please use the links in the description box. Cheers, bye bye.